What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we're checking back in from Promenade at Sunset Walk for another Sunset Walk Slingshot construction update. There's been a lot of progress since we were last here. Let's go! The buildings are coming along nicely. As we can see, one of them right here for the office is just about done. Got a lot of stuff internally, though, that needs to happen. Let's walk inside. So we can see nice, open. Still a lot of work left to do, though. Outside over here, maintenance room, also looking good. Doors are on. Ride itself, well, cables are installed now. The lights were turned on, so we have had a chance to actually see that. And then here's the admissions booth slash photo hut, and it's just about ready too. Over here, ride vehicle, sitting pretty. A lot of electrical going on. Should be testing very soon. And you can see some of the rebar right there for where concrete's going to go in for a handicap ramp and queuing for the ride. But everything looking pretty good. Spring box looking good with all those springs. Sensors have been attached. You can see all that cable run through. Pump house here. Again, all those lights, Maxtron lights, goes up vertically for the tower. And then the power packs, you can see right here, fully wired up with cables all around. Still a lot of work left to do. Got to get pavers in and whatnot, but we're hoping for a Thanksgiving opening. And as of right now, everything is on track. Another look at all of those stakes and markings in the ground for the ramp. Rebar, just waiting for concrete. Cable guide box there. Cables coming out. And up the tower. Same thing over here, Maxtron lights and power packs. They're fully wired up. Ride vehicle, new modern style one. We'll have a camera right there. But what's new on the back with these are all of the fancy little buttons. Opening seats, camera sign, all that. Plus they have handles. Makes it easier for the operator. Cables all the way up. It's alive! It's alive, I tell you! Spring box doing its thing. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Promenade at Sunset Walk for the Sunset Walk Slingshot. Exciting stuff as crews are getting everything ready. We're doing a little bit of testing with the springs, doing some wiring, and the buildings are, well, just about done. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.